here. I love you. I love you, baby. We could do this, you and me. Bring a loaf of bread and you could feed the seagulls. What do you think? You want to do that? I think we're going to have to do this. Look, see, they're just following behind. They're flying, flying, got to keep up. They're throwing bread. I don't want to miss out. Aha. Oh, so close. You think you'll take it? She's got her holding her hand up. Let's see if she'll take it right out of her hand. I think so. That would be something, wouldn't it? I think they'll be too scared. Nah, they're too scared. Too scared. Alright, that's it, man. I love you, baby.